Morning guys, 2022 911 Targa 4 GTS. Really good example this one. It's only got just over 1,000 miles on it from new. We've done a front end extended ProFilm package, so the rear quarter all the way around to the cover, down the side there, the sill as well, that black sill. The wing's been done, filler cap around the window. Wing mirrors, headlights, wings, front bumper, front spoiler, bonnet, all little bits on the front bumper. Side repeaters have been done. The wheels have been taken off, deep cleaned, coated with tartan pyro. And obviously same on this side with all the film. And there we go. Thanks for watching.